Quick overview and introduce highlight features of MATCC 62-inch car wash mop with aluminum long handle Chenille Microfiber wash mop car wash. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Combined with 4-piece telescopic rods of 62-inch length, this car wash mop can be best possible reaching for or versus cars, SUV or trucks. Best choice for car windshield, tires and car paint cleaning as well as household cleaning. With spring-loaded buckle design, easily disassembling the pole of which Chenille can be used as an independent mitt to make an interior car cleaning. When combined together, microfiber wash mop will become a lengthening handle for a surface cleaning. Cost-effective, easily cleaned and replaced. Soft, lint-free and swirl-free, super absorbent Chenille microfiber ensures powerful surface cleanliness, enabling to remove dust and grime from cars' paint without marring it. Reusable and washable. The function rotated flexibly is in accordance with ergonomic design characteristics, ensuring you have physical and mental health without bending over, stretching or twisting. The non-slip grip handle with spring-loaded snap designed to hold tightly when cleaning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.